Alpha Grillers Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Grillers Meat Thermometer is a high-precision instant-read food thermometer designed for cooking, grilling, baking, and more. Equipped with advanced temperature probe technology, it delivers highly accurate readings within 2 to 3 seconds, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. This thermometer comes pre-calibrated for convenience and includes a recalibration feature if needed. Versatile in application, it functions as a barbecue thermometer, baking thermometer, and deep fry thermometer, making it suitable for measuring the temperature of meats, liquids, and even candy. Ideal for use with air fryers, ovens, grills, smokers, griddles, and both indoor and outdoor cooking, it is an essential kitchen gadget for any home cook or grilling enthusiast. The easy-to-read digital display features a large dial with a bright blue backlight, allowing for effortless temperature checks even in low-light conditions. Additionally, its water-resistant IP66 rating ensures durability, making it easy to wash and clean under running water. Packaged in an elegant, foam-lined box, this meat thermometer makes an excellent gift for husbands, wives, or any cooking enthusiast. Whether for grilling, baking, or frying, the Alpha Grillers Meat Thermometer is a must-have barbecue accessory that guarantees precision and convenience in the kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.